Good day. So today we're going to how encode data for experimental research. Okay, so how to encode data for experimental research? So in experimental research, usually we have a trial, and then we have replicates, and we have treatments, and these are the basic components of your experimental research. So meaning you can actually have other variables aside from this. So for simple experimental research, we have the following. So you have your trial, and then you have your replicates for that trial, and then you have your different types of treatments. So usually we have three trials and three replicates for each treatment. And for the treatment, usually let's say there's your 10%, there's also the 25%, 50%, 75%, and then you have your 100% sometimes if there is, and then you have your positive control and your negative control. Whatever are those? Okay, so these are your treatments. So you have to label this one. You have to label this one. So this is 1. This is 2. Three, 4, so usually wala man din 500, so you can just 100%, so you can just remove that one. So you have the 4 different types of concentration, and also replace it one with 15%. Usually, and then you have 5 for your positive control, and 6 for your negative control. Okay, so these are the treatments. And then you also have 1. This is for your replicates. Replicate 1. Then 2. Replicate 2. 3. That's replicate 3. You have 1 for trial 1. 2 for trial 2. And 3 for trial 3. Okay? And then, so this is 4, 5, 6. Okay? And this is now replicate 1. For trial 1. Oh, trial 1. And then we have replicate 2. For trial 1. And then so you have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 treatments for replicate 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for replicate 3. Okay. And then you can copy this one. Then you have trial 2. You copy this one. And then you will have trial 3. Okay. So usually for 3 by 3, so you will have the following. So with 6 treatments, we will have 54. No? 54 rows for 6 treatments, 3 replicates, and 3 trials. And then, so whatever is the result of your study, so whatever is the study and experimental research, we let's say let's have a random variable for that. Random variable from, let's say, 1 to run between, since I don't have data for, so let's run between, let's say, be 1 to 100. Okay. So this is now the results of your data. So results, whatever is the study all about. So this is the results. So you have your trial, the replicates, and treatments and results. So typically there are 4 columns for experimental research, at least. Yeah, and so this is how you encode your data. So if your data, usually it looks like this trial, and then you have your this trial 1, you have replicate 1, replicate 2, and then replicate 3. Then you have here 15%, 25%, 50%, 75%, positive control, negative control. Okay? So, trial 1 siya. And then, if you copy the same data, actually your tables would look like that. This is now your trial 2. And this is now your trial 3. And you can copy this one. So, this will be your results. If it's runs, you can change all the time. 3. So your data would look something like this right now. So you'll have to encode it from this to look like this version here. Thank you very much.